Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use the official WhatsApp Business API to send marketing or promotional messages on WhatsApp. First of all, you need to log into your Vepaar account. If you don't have it, generate your Vepaar account, go to the settings section, select the integrations. There you can find WhatsApp Cloud API, select it, write your already business approval numbers, token and phone number ID and save it. After click on save button, there is a marketing section from where you can generate your marketing campaign. Write the campaign name, like let me just write the name of the campaign. Select the context by the funnels and tags. With the help of the funnels and tags, you can easily filter out your contacts. You can see all the contacts are filtered now. Now let's write the template details which we already approved from the Meta. Like I added an image in the message template, so I selected the image section at here and I'm uploading that image at here. Selecting language and let's click on the create button. So it's like this, your campaign is generated. You can see all the contacts from here, like how many contacts are there. Now select the analytics, from where you can start the broadcasting. Click on the start broadcast button to start sending messages to them. If you want to see this message is delivered or not, you can see it from here. You can also filter out like who get this message or not. So as like this, your customer is getting a message from that number. Like here is the image, your text and a button. You can also edit it there, and on the click on that button, customer will redirect to that specific link. You need to note that thing like this, all the marketing messages are getting paid. You have to pay to official Meta for this marketing or promotional messages. Meta is providing you 1000 messages for free for every month. But after that, if you want to send marketing messages, you have to pay per message cost depending on your country's cost. I hope you found this video tutorial very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.